Are you tired of static carousels that don't engage? Discover how to activate Loop Carousel in Elementor and unlock dynamic, custom layouts that wow your visitors. First, we'll edit your site, then find the Loop Carousel option, and finally, click Upgrade to unlock advanced features. Alright, start by going to your homepage and launching Elementor to edit it. Once you're in, click on the highlight element on the canvas. Then click on Site in the Elementor panel and choose Loop Carousel from there. Click Upgrade to build an advanced loop carousel with dynamic posts and custom layouts, perfect for engaging your visitors. Then hit Upgrade Now and you're all set to go. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.